Finding the best drone camera can be overwhelming with so many options on the market. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for stunning aerial shots or a professional in need of high-quality footage, choosing the right drone camera is essential. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best drone cameras available, each with unique features that cater to different needs. Let's explore the DJI Mini 2, Autel EVO II Pro, DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, DJI Mavic 3, and Skydio 2, so you can make the best choice for your flying adventures. Kicking off our list at number 1, DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a compact yet powerful drone that offers a perfect balance of performance and portability. It's an ideal option for beginner to intermediate drone enthusiasts who want to capture high-quality footage without breaking the bank. With its user-friendly design and robust camera capabilities, the Mini 2 makes it easy to get stunning aerial shots for personal use or social media content. The Mini 2 is an excellent introduction to the world of drone photography, combining ease of use with impressive results. Key features: the DJI Mini 2 comes equipped with a 12MP camera that shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second, providing excellent image quality for its size. It features a 3-axis gimbal for steady footage, even in windy conditions. The Mini 2 has a flight time of up to 31 minutes and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, offering a versatile flying experience. Additionally, it comes with a range of intelligent flight modes, including quick shots and panorama, making it easier to capture cinematic footage. The drone also offers a 10 kilometers range with its OcuSync 2.0 transmission system. Benefits and usage: the DJI Mini 2 is perfect for recreational drone pilots and casual content creators. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, and its impressive camera captures 4K videos and high-quality photos, ensuring you get professional-grade content without needing an expensive drone. The ease of use, especially with the pre-programmed flight modes, allows beginners to take stunning aerial shots with minimal effort. Whether you're filming travel videos, taking landscape shots, or creating social media content, the Mini 2 provides impressive results for an affordable price. Usability: the DJI Mini 2 is designed for easy handling, even for users with little to no prior drone experience. The intuitive controls make it accessible for everyone, and the DJI Fly app provides helpful instructions and tutorials to guide new pilots. The drone is also equipped with automatic takeoff and landing features, making the flight process even more user-friendly. The app lets you control the camera settings, view live footage, and even edit your videos, all in one place. This makes the Mini 2 a versatile tool for quick, hassle-free shooting. Durability: the DJI Mini 2 is built to withstand typical flying conditions but isn't designed for extreme weather. It is made from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring it can handle mild winds and typical outdoor conditions. However, it's important to avoid flying in harsh weather, as the Mini 2 is not waterproof. While it's relatively durable for casual use, it's recommended to use a protective case when transporting the drone to avoid damage. Given its compact size, the Mini 2 can be easily packed away, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. In the second spot, we have Autel EVO II Pro. The Autel EVO II Pro is a high-performance drone designed for serious photographers and videographers who demand superior image quality and performance. It features a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 6K video at 60 frames per second. With its advanced flight features and exceptional stability, the EVO II Pro is ideal for professional use, including landscape photography, real estate shoots, and commercial videography. Its advanced AI-powered technology and precise controls make it a standout option for experienced drone operators. Key features: the Autel EVO II Pro boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 50MP resolution, offering stunning image quality even in low light. It captures 6K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, delivering crystal-clear footage for cinematic shots. The drone also features a 3-axis gimbal for superior stability and smooth footage. Its 40-minute flight time and 9 kilometers range ensure long, uninterrupted shooting sessions. The EVO II Pro is also equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, making it highly reliable in complex environments. Benefits and usage: The Autel EVO II Pro is an excellent choice for professionals who require high-resolution photos and videos. Its advanced camera and high-quality image sensor make it perfect for capturing detailed landscapes, high-end videos, or real estate photos. Whether you're shooting in challenging lighting conditions or need to achieve professional-grade content, the EVO II Pro delivers exceptional results. With its intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes, it's also beginner-friendly enough for those who want to step up their drone photography game. Usability. Operating the Autel EVO II Pro is straightforward thanks to its user-friendly app, which allows you to access all the settings and features you need in a single interface. The drone also comes with smart flight modes like dynamic track, orbit, and waypoint, allowing you to create complex shots without manual adjustments. The remote controller features an integrated touchscreen, providing live HD footage and real-time telemetry. Even with its advanced capabilities, the drone is easy to control, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Durability. The Autel EVO II Pro is built with rugged materials designed to withstand various weather conditions. It's equipped with weatherproofing that allows it to operate in light rain, though it is not fully waterproof. The drone's robust design ensures that it can handle the occasional bump or crash, but like all drones, it's important to handle it with care to maintain its longevity. The batteries are easily replaceable, and the drone is designed for frequent use, making it a durable choice for professionals who require reliability during their shoots. Coming in at number 3 is the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is a flagship drone in DJI's Phantom lineup, known for its reliability, advanced features, and exceptional image quality. With a 20MP camera, 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, and a 3-axis gimbal, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is designed for professional photographers and videographers who need precise control and crystal-clear footage. The drone is equipped with advanced obstacle sensing technology and offers one of the best flying experiences available in consumer drones. Key features. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 features a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 20MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing exceptional image quality. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal to ensure steady and smooth footage, even during dynamic movements. It has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes and can reach speeds up to 45 miles per hour. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 also features obstacle sensors on the front, rear, and bottom, as well as an advanced flight control system that enhances stability and precision. Benefits and usage. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is ideal for professional drone operators who need the best in camera quality, stability, and control. Its powerful camera sensor and gimbal system make it perfect for capturing detailed aerial footage for films, commercials, and other high-end video projects. With features like 4K recording and intelligent flight modes such as active track, tap fly, and waypoints, it offers filmmakers and photographers the flexibility they need to capture stunning shots with ease. It's a must-have for anyone who needs both reliability and quality in one package. Usability. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 features intuitive controls that make it accessible for users at all levels. The drone's remote controller includes an integrated screen, providing real-time video feedback and telemetry. The DJI Go 4 app lets users fine-tune camera settings, flight parameters, and editing options. Even with its professional-grade features, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is designed to be easy to fly, thanks to its advanced GPS and autopilot systems. Whether you're flying for fun or shooting commercial content, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 ensures smooth and safe flights. Durability. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is built with a rugged and durable frame, capable of handling the stresses of regular use. Its materials ensure long-lasting performance in a variety of conditions, but like all drones, it should be used with caution in extreme weather. It's also equipped with redundant sensors and safety features to ensure that the drone performs well even in challenging environments. As with all professional equipment, proper storage and maintenance are essential to keep the drone functioning at its best. Taking our 4th spot is DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a cutting-edge drone that caters to both professional videographers and enthusiasts looking for top-tier performance and image quality. Equipped with dual cameras, a 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor, and a telephoto lens, the Mavic 3 is designed for those who want to capture ultra-high-definition footage from the sky. With extended flight times, intelligent flight modes, and a robust design, the Mavic 3 stands out as one of the best drones in its class for aerial photography and cinematography. Key features: the Mavic 3 is equipped with a 20MP 4/3-inch Hasselblad camera and a telephoto lens with up to 28x zoom, allowing you to capture both wide-angle and detailed close-up shots. It can shoot 5.1K video at 50 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second, delivering unparalleled video quality. The drone boasts a 46-minute flight time and a range of up to 15 kilometers, making it perfect for long-distance shoots. It also includes intelligent flight modes like active track, waypoints, and master shots, enhancing the drone's versatility. Benefits and usage: the DJI Mavic 3 is ideal for professionals who require exceptional camera quality and long flight times. Its dual camera setup allows for a wide range of creative possibilities, whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes or capturing intricate details from afar with the zoom lens. The Mavic 3 is perfect for commercial use, film production, or personal projects, offering flexibility, precision, and the ability to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions. It's a top choice for those who demand the best performance from their drone camera. Usability: the Mavic 3 is incredibly user-friendly, even for novice drone operators. The DJI Fly app provides simple, intuitive controls and access to powerful flight features. Its intelligent modes make it easy to capture complex shots, while the automated settings allow users to focus on creative composition rather than technical details. The Mavic 3's stability and ease of control make it a reliable drone for both casual use and professional shoots. Durability: built with advanced materials, the DJI Mavic 3 is designed to withstand regular use, offering great durability in a lightweight package. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, while the powerful battery system ensures long-lasting performance. However, like all drones, the Mavic 3 should be kept away from extreme weather and rough terrain to maintain its longevity. It is a robust choice for frequent flyers who need a reliable and durable drone for professional applications. And finally, at number 5, we have Skydio 2. The Skydio 2 is a revolutionary drone that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to provide autonomous flight capabilities, making it one of the most advanced drones available. Known for its superior obstacle avoidance and intelligent flying technology, the Skydio 2 offers an autonomous flying experience that is ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage in complex environments. Its camera system delivers 4K video at 60 frames per second, making it perfect for professional quality shoots. Key features: the Skydio 2 is powered by advanced AI and machine learning algorithms, which allow it to avoid obstacles and fly autonomously in challenging environments. It features a 12MP camera capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring high-quality content. The drone offers a 23-minute flight time and comes with a range of smart flight modes, including autonomous tracking and obstacle avoidance. The Skydio 2's flight stability and precise control make it ideal for tight spaces and challenging aerial environments. Benefits and usage: the Skydio 2 is perfect for users who need advanced autonomous flight capabilities, particularly those who want to film in tricky locations, such as forests or urban areas. Its AI-powered navigation allows it to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles with ease, making it a great choice for action shots and dynamic video. It's an ideal tool for aerial photographers, sports videographers, and anyone looking to capture footage in challenging environments. Usability: the Skydio 2 is designed for users who want an easy flying experience with minimal input. The drone's AI-driven technology ensures smooth and safe flights, and the app provides simple controls for manual flight adjustments when needed. The autonomous features allow users to focus on composition and content, while the drone takes care of the flying. This makes the Skydio 2 ideal for those who want a hassle-free flying experience without compromising on footage quality. Durability: the Skydio 2 is built for rugged use, with a durable frame that can withstand impacts and tough conditions. Its advanced navigation system ensures it can fly through dense forests and urban areas without crashing into obstacles. While it's designed for durability, it's important to treat the drone with care during transport to avoid damage. Like all high-end drones, it's best to avoid flying in extreme weather conditions to protect the drone's longevity. And there you have it, 5 of the best drones for capturing stunning aerial footage. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist looking to elevate your content, each of these drones offers something unique. From the advanced AI-powered flight of the Skydio 2 to the cinematic capabilities of the DJI Mavic 3, there's a drone for every creative need. When choosing the right drone, consider factors like camera quality, flight time, and usability to find the one that fits your shooting style. And don't forget to factor in durability for those long-term projects and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech tips. Got any questions or want to share your favorite drone? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy flying!